Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. A quick video for you today. Members, I have a longer one for you because we're going over, I added a couple new stocks to the growth stock list, so I want you to take the time to go through that stuff. It's about a half an hour video. Here it'll just be a couple minutes. So Euronet Worldwide, EEFT. This is in a really kind of a beautiful pattern here. It's a cup and handle pattern. Here's the cup. And then it's forming this like low handle. It's in what I call a volatility squeeze, which I look at by just comparing the Bollinger Bands, looking at the bandwidth where they're squeezing this in a really a pretty tight range here, where the width between the Bollinger Bands is just a little over 3%. And so when you look at this, and then up until today, like this wouldn't have really got my attention. There's nothing remarkable about this. I mean, I'd see this, but I didn't see this stock until today because I see a bazillion charts like this. But I'm looking at the volume here, and it's kind of average. Over the last week or two, a lot of the volume bars have been kind of tall. You know, this one, the red ones. And then this one about average. We got kind of a mixture here where the upside here, green, was also above average. But generally speaking, if you just look at the way the moving average of volume, the 20-day moving average of volume is, the direction that it's in, it's kind of in sleepy town here. The stock's here, and then the volume, and then it's drifted down. The moving average has drifted down, so it's trading on lower than average volume. And so then finally we get this thing here today on almost twice average volume. I look at this as a great opportunity. I wouldn't have even looked at it yesterday. I wouldn't have noticed it, but today I notice it. The high is 58.57, and so I'll tell you what I'm going to be doing. If the stock trades above 58.57 tomorrow, I'm going to be buying that stock. And then I'm going to have a stop, probably clear down below the 50-day moving average. There's room for the stock to move to the downside. So anyway, that's my trade for you. A volatility squeeze, just a squirt right out the top. 58.57 would be my limit. Yeah, 50. I don't know why I was looking at the wrong numbers here. Yeah, 58.57 is where I would look to buy that stock. Okay, see you next time.